Question 16. The atoms copper 29 with mass number 64 and zinc 30 with mass number 65 have the same number of A. electrons, B. neutrons, C. nucleons, D. protons. The correct answer is B. neutrons. Explanation. So let's do a very quick math right here. So for copper 29, the number of neutrons will be 64 minus 29, which will give you 35. For zinc 30, number of neutrons will be 65 minus 30, which gives you 35. So boom, you have it, right? So same number of neutrons. That is why they are called isotones. Different elements but equal number of neutrons.